Hello and welcome to my channel. Everyone uses Google to find some kind of information, but is it the best way, or is there some other way to find the correct information quickly and correctly? Yes, there is a way, and today I'm going to tell you as well as show you how to do it. So let's proceed. Let's say you are searching on Google for content about Xiaomi's Poco F1 specifications. Instead of searching the normal way, you could do it this way, which would yield you better results than normal Google search. To do this, simply enclose the search phrase within double quotes. You will get a more focused result for your search. Now, let's say you want to search for something but don't want a related thing to be searched. Example, say you want to search about Xiaomi but don't want anything to do with me.com. Then simply use the dash sign in front of the word you want to exclude. Now you won't see any me.com in the search page. Alternatively, if you want to find a web page with certain words contained in the title but not necessarily besides each other, then type all in title followed immediately by words or phrases. Example, all in title Poco F1 specification. You will see all the titles in the web page being Poco F1 specification. It will include all these words. By default, when you conduct a search, Google will include all the terms specified in the search. If you are looking for any one or more terms to match, then you can use the OR operator. And also note that OR has to be capitalized. In this example, we are going to check Redmi or Xiaomi. If you need to quickly look up the definition of a word or phrase, simply use the define command. Okay, you can listen to the word's pronunciation by pressing the megaphone icon, or you can go down and get the meaning or how it was derived. For this example, we are going to use motherboard. And let's say you are browsing a website and want to know more about it. Google will give you all pages that link to the website and makes your search more informative. Let's give it a try. In this example, we are going to use Xiaomi, so let's go on with it. Want to translate a simple word or phrase from one language to another? No need to go to translation website. Just search translate and the word which you want to translate to language which you want to translate. Okay, translate word to language. Now, ever forgotten a word or two from a specific phrase, song lyrics, movie quote, or anything? You can use an asterisk as a wildcard, which can help you find the missing word in the phrase. So let's get this. Means we'll get all the songs with this title. The next time you need to do a quick calculation, instead of bringing up the calculator, you can just type your expression into the Google. Let's check it. And if you loved this video, then please hit that subscribe and like button. With that, I am Satej and see you in another video.